Open the AI Builder and start by clicking on a pre-made template prompt. Once the generation of the page by the AI has been completed, you will see the generated page in the editor area to start working with it. During the generation of the page, the AI Builder goes on across various stages like building sections, contents, images, and more. The last step is about generating images of the page by the AI. When the process has been completed and the page has been generated by the AI, it will be immediately visible in the editor area. Now you can continue the conversation to interact with the AI and build the page. The next step we ask to the AI is to convert the page to dark theme by simply using the drop-down in the interface. In this case, the page has been completely converted to a dark theme by the AI in a few seconds. Now we can go on and start over with a more complex and articulated prompt to create an e-commerce page. Once the shop page has been generated, we can start to refine it via prompt conversation. The first thing we ask is again to convert it to dark theme. This time we start by selecting specific elements in the page and ask to AI to modify them selectively. The first thing we ask is to change the main page title. After that, we can go on to rewrite and improve the main subtitle of the home page. Now we select again the main page title as a context, but this time we ask a CSS styles change to put emphasis on a specific word. As a result, the workspace word took a special gradient to be more prominent in the phrase. And now we start by asking to AI to regenerate specific images. Once selected the image context we want to update, it's enough to send to the AI the descriptive prompt about the image we need to obtain. In this example, we asked about a desk with lamp and laptop to replace the main image of the headline. Then we go on to regenerate the image of the wireless charger product in the 3 card sections. When the processing has been completed, we scroll down to see the new image for the wireless charger product. It's very easy. This time we add a new section directly with AI, 2 columns with 2 add-ons, a title and text on the left, and a set of progress bars on the right. All done in a snap with the AI Builder, instead of doing it manually with the drag-and-drop builder. Now we add another new section with AI, a single column with a map inside, at the bottom of the page. Again, done in seconds instead of building it manually. And finally, we add one last section with AI, an accordion for a FAQ. Again, done in seconds instead of building it manually. You can even specify the exact questions and answers directly in the prompt. Now we send a prompt to generate a bestsellers section before the testimonials, with 4 columns and 4 cards, each with an image, product name, description, price, and an Add to Cart button. In the prompt, we also pass in the actual product names and prices. Now we move on to asking AI to translate the entire page into German language. Translation complete. Every text on the page, headings, buttons, product cards, FAQ, has been translated into German automatically. Now we move on to generating a brand new page for the shop with the prompt, create a premium product catalog. This shows one of the most powerful features of JPageBuilder AI Builder. You can spawn new, related pages directly from the current one, while automatically keeping the same styles, layout structure, and design language. This makes it easy to build out a full set of pages, all part of the same site and template, with total visual consistency. And here's the new page, generated in seconds, already matching the same styles, layout, and design as the rest of the site. Next, we move on to generating a new page for the product detail view. Simply including a phrase like "generate a new page" in the prompt is enough for the AI and the builder to understand that a separate, standalone page should be created, with its own real page ID, just like when you manually create individual pages in the page builder that can then be assigned to Joomla menu items. And here it is. The product detail page, created with the requested content, but matching the styles and language of the original page. All these generated pages then show up in the classic JPageBuilder page list, ready to be managed just like any other page. For our last request, we ask the AI to generate the contact page, and with that, our fully AI-generated website is complete. Let's switch gears and move into editing existing pages. This is where AI Builder becomes a complete workflow, not just a page generator. Out of the box, it works seamlessly with every page built from JPageBuilder's classic bundled templates. Open any existing page, describe the change you want, and let AI handle the rest. No manual drag and drop required. But the real game changer is what comes next. Thanks to JPageBuilder's built-in import tool, you're never locked into starting from scratch. If you already have pages built with other Joomla page builders, you can import and migrate them directly into JPageBuilder, and once they're in, they become fully native, fully editable content. Take pages you built years ago on a completely different builder and instantly start refining them with AI, restyling sections, updating copy, converting themes, adding new blocks, translating content, all through simple prompts. In short, AI Builder isn't just for new sites built from scratch. It's a real migration and modernization path. Bring in your existing pages, whatever tool they were originally built with, and give your whole site the same AI-powered editing experience without losing any content along the way. For example, just load any page from an existing template and ask AI to regenerate an image exactly the way you describe it with a prompt. You can see how easily and quickly we can transform a page from an existing template. We changed it to a dark theme, translated the content, and regenerated images, all with just a few simple prompts. Just like we saw earlier with a page generated from scratch by AI Builder, here too we go on to change the titles and add a map addon at the bottom of the page. And of course, none of this locks you out of the classic page builder experience. Every page created or edited with AI Builder can still be refined the traditional way, using the regular backend and frontend editors, exactly as you always have. Just click the Edit Page button in the toolbar, and the frontend editor opens right there, inside the AI Builder's own editing area. That means you get the best of both worlds in a single, real-time environment. The precision of the classic drag-and-drop front-end editor combined with the speed and power of AI Builder, working together on the very same page. The same goes for the Backend Editor button. Clicking it takes you straight to the classic backend editor, which works exactly the same way. This is truly a revolution in the Joomla world. For the first time, you get the most powerful classic page builder, complete with its front-end and back-end editors and full drag-and-drop add-on system, seamlessly united with the world of AI Builder. The result is something genuinely unique, a single environment where classic precision and AI-driven speed work side by side, opening up truly unlimited creative potential, available for the very first time. And here it is, back to the classic experience, dragging and dropping add-ons by hand, right alongside everything AI Builder just created for you.